The first and most expensive method. The first method of mummification, typically reserved for royalty and wealthy nobles, involved several sophisticated steps. First, preparation. The body was stripped, laid out on an embalming couch, and purified in a temporary structure near the nail or a canal. Second, evisceration. An incision was made on the left side of the abdomen with an obsidian knife. The liver, stomach, intestines, and lungs were removed. While the heart was there due to its significance in afterlife, these organs were cleaned, dried, wrapped, and placed in canopic jars. Third, brain removal. The brain, considered unimportant, was removed through the nostrils or a hole at the base of the skull. Fourth, dehydration. The body cavities were packed with natron and the entire corpse was covered in a natron on a slanting embalming couch for 40 to 70 days, ensuring rapid desiccation and chemical stability. Fifth, temporary stuffing removal. After dehydration, temporary stuffing materials were removed and the body was washed and dried. 6. Permanent stuffing. The cranial cavity was filled with resin and the body was packed with materials like myrrh, cinnamon, frankincense, sawdust, and occasionally onions. Hot liquid resin was poured over the body as a disinfectant. 7th, preparation and painting. The body was coated with oils, resins, and perfumes, and sometimes painted with ochre. Final cosmetic detailing including dyeing hair and using extensions. 8. Amulets. Essential for the afterlife, amulets were placed in specific locations around the body and between the layers of wrappings. Bandaging. The fingers and toes were individually wrapped, followed by layers of linen around the limbs and torso. A resonance paste and linen carapace was often applied, and a red linen shirt was wrapped over the body. The second, less expensive method didn't involve complete evisceration. Instead, cedar oil was injected into the anus, which was then plugged. The body was treated with natron, and once the oil was drained, the intestines and stomach came away with it. This left only skin and skeleton. The third and cheapest methods involve removing the stomach and internal organs through an abdominal incision on the left side. The body cavities were sterilized with ethyl alcohol and the whole body was buried in natron salt. And that's it, the whole methods. Now, we'll make a secret formula for your mummies. Don't forget, this formula is a super secret. Never share it with a bad person. Natron salt,
Coniferous resin,
myrrh,
mastic,
beeswax,
bitumen,
cassia,
onions,
lichen,
henna.
created by Professor Abbas. They were meant to be the perfect little mummies.
but the professor added an extra ingredient to the mix,
Gum Arabic.
and thus the mummy were born.